Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is Willard, and guys, today we're going to be opening up our second ETB of Mega Evolution. This is the Lucario box. Previous episode we opened up the Quantivar. So I'm hoping to maybe pull something more than we did last time. Last time we didn't. Our pulls weren't that great, so I don't know if that is just uh, I don't know. I don't know if the pull rate is supposed to be like that or if I just got a fluke or whatever. Alright, so we're going to open up the Mega Lucario. Just here is the pamphlet, guys. What's in there. So, I mean, by now y'all have seen plenty of these openings too, so alright. Those are really cool. That's really cool sleeves. And we have a Rolu. Alright. Everybody's favorite packs of energies. And if I can get it out, the dice. And the Lucario coin. That is really cool. Set this in there. I really do like this packaging. I think it's better. It makes it better. So pull these packs out. This out of the way. Alright. So let's see what we got. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 packs of Mega Evolutions again on today's video. So we did not pull my chase in the last one, so maybe we'll pull that on this one. So, and I do have more Mega Evolutions coming along, and so we're gonna see what we got there. All right, first code card for on today's video. Yes. Throw that over there in the trash. We're starting off with electric energy, so let's get these pulls going. Alright, we got a Bulbasaur. Just a regular common Bulbasaur. Pokecenter Lady. A Riolu. A Nickit. Shuckle. A Lieutenant Surge. Ninetales. Surfing Gold. Reverse Hollow Beware. And, alright, we got a Fighting Gong trainer card. That is a really good pull to start off. So let's keep this going. Let's see what else we can get. Is Lucario going to be my luck when it comes to pulls? I do not know. Set that over there. And we got a dark. Alright. Alright. Graveyard. A Bulbasaur. Strudel. Energy Trainer, Switch Trainer, Surfing Gold Dude, Power Up Drink, Grunt Pig, Reverse Hollow Execute, Yveltal, and an Alakazam. Alright, Kangaskhan, guys. Next pack is a Kangaskhan. Alright. Code card over there to the side. Water. Energy. Alright, so we got a Shroom. Snow. Score Bunny. Tinkatuff. Nuzzle Leaf. Spirit Tomb. Trainer. A Celebi. A Fighting Gong. We just pulled that. Yeah, okay, that's the Reverse Hollow. Reverse Hollow Rare Candy. And a Mega Absol EX. We did pull this card in the last one. So that will be going into a trade binder. Alright. Put that code card over here. And the energy is a grass. So already we're matched what we were going for. Actually, I think we're better off this time than this. Heliodisc, Corpfish, Tangela, Sandshrew, Forest, Executor, Aladius, Cube, Reverse Hollow, and a Kyogre. Alright. Alright. Will Guanavar give us any better pulls? I do not know. Alright. Psychic Energy. Alright. We got a Tungur, Snobble, Electric, Bunring, Stonejourner, another Forest Trainer, a Volcarona. Alright, a Sizzlepede. Oh, there we go. There we go. We got a pull there, guys. That is an awesome pull. And, alright. Alright, so we're doing off way better than we were before. Alright. Alright, this is the 4th pack of today's episode. We got a Fire Energy. So let's keep the heat going. We got a Litleo, Crunchler, a Tinky Tongue, whatever not, Nick Kit, a Repel Trainer, Ninjask, Marshadow, a Magneton, a Dialga, and a Cinderace. Alright, we're down to our last 3 packs for today, guys. Alright, as the last 3 packs, we give away the code cards. Alright, throw that with the trash. And our energy is the Steel. Alright, the Maze, Croagunk, the Mail, Spoink, a Swiftry, Lily's Determination. There's a special illustration of that one. Gumshoes, Reverse Hollow Mangalium, Reverse Hollow Stuffle, and a Mega Latias EX. Alright, guys. So, it must have been Guanavar that did not give us the pulls. So, I was actually most excited about pulling this one. And code card, Electric Energy. Maybe just maybe we can keep electrifying these pulls. Score Bunny, a Fighting Gong, a Kadabra, a Frostmoth, a Reverse Hollow Houndstone, Crawdad, and a Hollow Meganium. Alright, guys, we are down to our last pack, guys. Thank you for this journey, guys. Thank you for everything. Thank you to all my subscribers. At the time of recording, I only have 9. Alright, last code card for the day. And our last energy is the Stark. So let's see what we're pulling out of here. Snover, a Present Bird, Toxicroak, Seedot, Solrock, Crawdad, Magnezone, a Reverse Hollow, a Reverse Hollow Sandshrew, and we're ending on Xerneas. Alright, guys, I just want to say thank you for everything you've done and for everything, guys. Just thanks, guys, for all. So remember, you are one of a kind, you are loved, and have a wonderful and amazing day.
Pokémon.